Thank you for shopping at megastore.com.mt. How to use MegaBox. Hi there, my name is John. I will now show you how to collect your order. Log in to your account. Click on Order History. Click on the map to find your locker. Click here to collect your order. You can see the number of boxes to collect, but also the contents of each box. Click here to collect one box. Each locker has a 6-digit number. Enter the number and confirm. Remove the parcel from the locker and close the door. Collect all boxes. Thank you for your custom. Please recycle. We will be happy to assist you via online chat on our website, working days from 10 a.m. to 4 p.m. if immediate assistance is required. You can also send us an email to shop@megastore.com.mt.